When you are learning a new language and you want to say your first sentence, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to say it in your first language, and then you're going to translate word by word to say it in the language you are learning. That works sometimes, but unfortunately, it doesn't work all the time. I usually tell my students think about the language Arabic as everything is literal. The words you're using, the meaning is literal, like straightforward. So that's the best way to think about it. So um, please make sure you check out my Etsy shop. My workbooks are really, really helpful. I'm telling you, and they are on sale right now. Make sure you check them out. There are intermediate and beginners. Okay, so let's go over the words sounds like. This is a common one. At least I use sounds like all the time. Like, sounds like we have a plan, sounds like it's going to be a great day, sounds like, we use it all the time. Now, if you Google the word sound, and this is exactly what I did before I make my episode, sound and voice. In Arabic, they both have the same meaning, sot. So the word sot in Arabic means either voice or sound. Now, if I want to use the word sot to say the sentence sounds like we have a plan, that would be very weird because it's literally like sort like a voice, like the voice is beautiful, the I hear a weird sound. This is what the word sort means. So sounds like we have a plan, that's not gonna make any sense. So instead we would say looks like we have a plan. I know maybe the word look, it does not also translate straightforward, but we would say looks like we have a plan. Looks like in Arabic, in the Palestinian, shekel, the word shekel, and we add a possessive suffix to the word shekel. Most likely it's going to be shiklo, and in Lebanese they use shekel or haya. So hayito. So hayito, we have a plan. Shiklo, we have a plan. Now, if I want to use the word salt, like you sound tired, the way I would say it in Arabic is your sound sounds tired. Like your actual sound, it does sound like you're tired. So this is how we would use the word sound. Now, another example is running some errands. Running some errands, I think you get the point. That's not gonna work in Arabic unless you're actually running. Yeah, like you're literally running. So that's when it works. But instead of I need to run some errands, I would say I need to buy some stuff, or I need to do some things or some stuff or some things or whatever. So it's you will instead use the verbs like to do, the actual verb you're going to do, the action you're going to do. The action is not you're running. The action is you're doing, or you're buying, or you're going to the bank. So you're going to use the actual verbs you are doing. So I hope this helps. I'm going to do more episodes about sentences that you cannot translate from English to Arabic. I hope it's helping you, and thank you for listening. Make sure if you want to see me live, then subscribe, follow me on TikTok so I can reach 1,000 and I can go on live videos and you can talk to me directly and everything. Thank you so much, and see you soon.